Hey guys, what's up? It's your trade of the day and it's brought to you by Day Trade the World. Make sure you hit that QR code below and start your day trading journey with the best prop firm around. Okay, AMD, look, how do you make money on a stock when it's actually down on the day going long? I mean, you just got to be patient, right? I mean, we talk about that over and over again. Look at the first couple minutes here on AMD. It was just a disaster. Big time move to the downside, actually touches 69, breaks through 70. And why that's important, I actually have the 20-minute chart up here just to show you the sort of top here of 71. That was a very, very key area for me, and we're going to talk about that on some of our outs. But look at the bottom as well. There's that 69. We actually touched that. That goes all the way back to the 6. That could have been a long opportunity. But again, we weren't sitting there. We were letting this thing settle down. So what did we wait to do? We waited for it to bottom, and then all of a sudden the market just took off. And we missed it. Like I missed these longs. That's VWAP. That's the 50 period. So what did I do? I waited for the 200 period at that point. Didn't really want to get caught up here between 70 and like 70.25. Thought we could have maybe bounced off that level, waited for a nice little break, took it to the upside. That 70.25, best outs here, 70.60, 70.50. Then we comes back in, and then we even tweeted this out. Uh-oh, we're reloaded. And there it was right there. Came right back in again. Only held it against us like 10, 15 cents. Then back up to the upside, 1-to-1, 2-to-1. And this is where the 71 comes into play here, right? So as it starts making a move to the upside, that out is 70.80, that out is 70.90. Why did we take those? It just goes back to finding some possible support and resistance areas. 69 worked to the bottom, 71 working to the top. It's a $2 range, right? And so there it is right there. Nothing, no more action again till we come back into the same reload level. This time, actually pops up and we take a little bit of profit on that, right? Then we let it fall back down. Thankfully, it does not break through 70. We take a 70 long. First piece out again. I mean, where's our out going to be? Just a little bit under 70, probably 69.80, something, probably 69.90. About 10 cents is about the risk we give to this one. Pumps up, there's 20 cents in the money right there. So first out, 20 cents, keeps going, keeps going, keeps going, lifting it up 60, 70 cents, all profitable action. Now, this is why it's your trade of the day, right? Because remember I just said, if we're going to go long 70, where are we going to get out? Well, I mean, look, this is 20 cents. 30, 40, 50, 60 cents. And then look what happens again. Now we go reloaded one more time. Why? Because that's how we trade. We trade off support and resistance when there's not much happening, right? The market hasn't really had too much of a directional bias, although right now I think it's going to the downside. But in here, long there, 70.10. Look where we're long. 70.05, 77, 70 flat. Look at the drop down. This is where we wind up getting out. A break of 90. It's probably more like 87, 88. So we do wind up losing. But the point is we're still strong and in the money today on AMD. Why? Because the wins, like I said, are greater than the losses. As we just took another loss right here, as it comes back down. So here it is, in and out. That's why it's your trade of the day. Just to show you that even though the market could be going one way, you could still make money counter trading. You just got to make sure you have the right outs. So here's another example right now. Comes back in. I just put this on right before we came on the air. 69.80. We went long. Why? Back into support. There's the last take, 69.70 off of that bottom support. It breaks. We're out at 69.60, so that's an 80 and a 70 out of 60, giving us about a 15-cent hit. Look where we are now, down to 40 and still making more lows right now. But guess what? We're not in it. So it's a nice move to the downside here, and this is called risk management. I think we did a pretty good job here. It's how you can win going counter trend against the market on a stock. When you find levels, you too can play off them.